Arrive in style with this Ford 2015 Fusion Titanium. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: navigation system, roof, power moon, roof, power sunroof, all-wheel drive, seat heated driver, leather seats, power seats, seats air-conditioned heated and power driver seat. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.